जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। तो आज भी हम कुछ आइटम शॉपिंग के लेके आए हैं जो हमने शॉपिंग की है किचन के लिए, जो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है मगर किचन के लिए ज़रूरी भी है और नहीं भी है, मगर ये अपनी अपनी चॉइस होती है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। मार्गरेट आपको दिखाती है।
And here we have a set of 7 containers in 1, 2, 3, 4 colours, I think, and they all have lids, so that would hold a lot of
No, they're about
goods.
6 or 7,
Yeah, 7.
and they weren't expensive, Mara. They're from Wilkinson.
All right,
I think they only cost about £3
that's good value.
for good quality, aren't they?
Yeah. Here we have a meat tenderizer. You press it down on the meat, and it tenderizes.
What does it do? Does it say on the box?
Meat tenderizer.
So basically it breaks the
Breaks the fibres.
fibres for easy cooking, isn't it?
Yeah,
On a big piece of meat.
yeah. So it's not so tough. And this is a cake server, and you can cut it down and cut a piece out from the middle of your cake without getting your hands sticky. Place it on a plate. This is called a waving knife. You can see that it has ridges along it, and you can use it for cutting up cucumber, potatoes, carrots, and make chips and do all sorts of decorative things with it.
This isn't that expensive either.
No.
But it's nice to have a texture to your vegetables or
Yeah.
whatever you're cooking.
All finished. And the next item is something that is new and trendy and makes snacks at home. It's called a bubble waffle maker. So I'll take it out of the box. We plan to do some cooking on this, which we'll show you at a later time. It's all wrapped up very nicely. Yeah, here's the inside. It's all non-stick, and you can make some really pretty waffles, pastries, or anything you like.
For breakfast.
It's very pretty. And it also comes with these cones that you can put your waffles in, or your whatever you're making.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these things, and
Until next time.
yeah, we'll be showing you again.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.